Hi, in our previous videos we have seen how do we use the prime factorization technique to determine the square root of a number and also to determine whether a given number is a perfect square number or not. In this video we will see that if a given number is not a perfect square number, then how do we determine the smallest number which we can either multiply or we can divide the given number by to make it a perfect square number. Let us learn this through examples. So example 1. Find the smallest whole number by which 90 should be multiplied to so as to get a perfect square number, and also find the square root of the square number so obtained. Let us try solving this question. So we have the number 90 and first we will be prime factorizing 90. When we prime factorize 90, we get 90 as the product of 3 times 3 times 2 times 5. 90 is the product of 3, 3, 2 and 5, all the prime factors, and let us try to form the pair. So we have a pair of 3. Do we have a pair of 2? No. Do we have a pair of 5? No. If all the factors do not come in pair, then that means that it is not a perfect square number. So 90 is not a perfect square. Okay, so what do we need to find? We need to find the smallest whole number by which 90 should be multiplied to make it a perfect square number. How do we determine it? If we have to convert 90 into a perfect square number, we have to see that we need one missing 2 and we need one missing 5. If we get one more 2 and one more 5 here, we'll be able to form a pair of 2 and a pair of 5, and our number will become a perfect square number. So we need to multiply 90 by one more 2 and one more 5. Correct? So this gives us 3 times 3 times 2. One more 2 has come in, and 5 times 5. One more 5 has come in. All the three factors are in pairs, and hence we get a square of 30. Correct? And which number do we obtain here? It is 90 times 10, which is 900. So we see that 90 has to be multiplied by 10 to convert it to a square number, which is 900, which is a square of 30, and hence square root of 900 is nothing but 30. So what is the smallest whole number which we have to multiply to 90? That smallest whole number is 10. And when we multiply it, we get the perfect square number as 900, and the square root of that square number is nothing but 30. So prime factorize a number, see the missing factor, and please multiply the given number by those missing factors and you will find the square number. Let us see one more example. Find the smallest number by which 9408 should be divided to get a perfect square number. Let us prime factorize it first. So 9408. Okay. We have prime factorized 9408. It's a big list of factors, so 9408 is written as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 7 times 7 times 3. We have one pair of 2, another pair, a pair of 7, and this 3 is not having a pair. Okay, so to make 9408 a perfect square, there are two ways. Either we can multiply, get in one more 3, or just remove this 3 which is here. The question which is asked is what should be divided. So if we divide 9408 by 3, we will get 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 7 times 7 times 3, and this is divided by 3. So this 3 and this 3 cancels off, and this remaining number has all the factors which come in pairs. Okay. So we have 2 square, another 2 square, another 2 square, and a 7 square. Okay, so this is the number which is a square number, and it is square of which number? Which is 56 square. Correct? So find the smallest whole number by which 9408 should be divided. 9408 should be divided by 3 to get a perfect square number, and the square root of that perfect square number, which will be nothing but 56. Square root of 9408 divided by 3, which is a perfect square number, is nothing but 56. So I hope these two questions are very clear to everyone, that what is the least number which we have to multiply to make a given number a perfect square number, and what is the least number by which a given number should be divided to convert it to a perfect square number. If you have any doubts regarding these questions, you can send me an email at kirti.mathacademy@gmail.com. This is my YouTube channel, Mathacademy. If you have liked my videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.